So we have 50,000 images for training, 10 images for test. Now let me show you some of the pictures. I mean, we just saw it in the on the website, but we want to make it part of our notebook. So here, let me add some sections to this notebook. This is import libraries and data. Let's call this part 1. And then this will be part 2. Preview the data. So we said that CFR 10 has 10 classes. Sorry. And what we want to do is plot a grid of a grid of 10 pictures. And then we want to loop over 25 samples and then plot those. So we will say for I in range, the range function will create a sequence of numbers. So here we want from 0 to 25. And then we'll say plt.subplots. And this is the index. We don't, this is not a Cartesian or any kind of coordinate system. So we're going to empty out the, like remove any labels from the plot. So we'll pass here an empty list. Same for the y-axis. We don't want any grid. Again, because this is not a coordinate system. And then we want to impose the picture or superimpose the picture from each class. So we have train images. And then we want to say, yeah, we want to put the class label of each picture on the x-axis. So x label. Class names. Train labels. So if I show you the train labels up here, it's going to be a list within a list. So if we want to preview a particular class, we will need to go inside the list first and then get the scalar value. So that's why we have 2 sets of square brackets. So once we run this code, this is what we should see. No, this is not what we should see. What did I leave out? It's subplot singular. And then I am show. There we go. So again, the picture we just saw, but it's a good idea to have them here in our notebook.